Sweet potato. We can do so many things with these guys, but tonight we're gonna show you how to make a nice, spicy, crispy sweet potato fry. So let's get after it. Boom! Let's get them peeled. Sharp knife, always. I chop these a little bit different than I do other things. Third step here is we're gonna be soaking these in warm water. So have yourself a bowl that's ready. I'm sure you can see these guys over here. Bowl of water. I'm going to top that up a little bit. So I'm going to leave these soaked for about 30 minutes. I've soaked them for about 30 minutes. I've now strained them. So I'm going to add the olive oil. I'm going to add some spices. And then I'm also going to be sprinkling over some cornstarch. I'm going to drizzle it up. Depending on the amount of sweet potato you have in there is going to be dependent on the amount of olive oil that we're going to put in there. So I've already got a nice spice mixture prepared, as I always do. So I only have to make this once every few weeks, but I'm going to make sure that is well coated on all the sweet potato. This has got a whole bunch of stuff which, if you look in the description, you'll be able to find. Now, one that's not in there is a little bit of chili powder because it's extra. I'm just going to be coating about a half a teaspoon of corn. Just give those a little bit of a mix. With the hand, we can turn them and make sure everything is coated with our olive oil, our spices, and our cornstarch. I'm losing a few, but that's okay. Spread these out. Excellent and good. Lay them as flat as possible. Bon, good. Okay, we're gonna put those in the air fryer. They're looking like they're crisping up really, really nicely in there. Our sweet potato fries are just about done. We're gonna give them a check. They are looking nice and crispy. Oh yeah, golden sweet potato fries are all ready. Check those out. Those just look delicious and crispy. That's what we are looking for. So I'm gonna go ahead and load up our bass, having that little extra with regards to the olive oil and the cornstarch really gave these the crispness that we want. Outside of our paper, what we wanna do is grate some fresh Parmesan. This is a really great flavor on top of that. I think you'll really like what you see here. Excellent. Look at that. Oh, just delicious. Great. Leave that aside. We've got our little piece of parsley for some color. Check those guys out. This is going to be just delicious tonight. Wow. Don't forget, check out that recipe on the channel. You'll see garlic aioli mayo. You'll see sweet potato fries. They can go great together with our vinaigrette coleslaw and a roasted chicken. If you have any questions at all, don't forget, comment below, and please like, comment, subscribe, and share to all your friends. Boom. Let's give these a little taste. Okay, so I've got our great garlic aioli mayo in there. I'm gonna pull out one of these nice sweet potato. Oh, that's really hot, still steaming. Look at all that Parmesan. Give it a little dip. These are fantastic. Give them a try. I think you're gonna love them. Boom.